Okay, so what we're going to focus on today is being able to write the quadratic equation when given a table. And we're going to use the calculator for this, so make sure you do have access to the app or the TI-84 Plus. So what we've done linear regression. This is pretty much the same thing, but it's a different step in the calculator. So I'm just going to jump right in. When you're given a table, we're going to go to Stat, which is next to the arrows, and Edit, and we have a table here. We're only going to use list 1 and list 2. So my x values are going to go into list 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my y values are going to go into L2, 1, 2, 8, 15, 27. Then to do quadratic regression, you're going to go to Stat, over to Calc to the right. Quadratic regression is number 5. We're used to using number 4, but we're going to use 5. And then you just make sure it says L1, L2 and hit enter until you hit the calculate button for enter. And we are going to round to the 10th place. I thought it would be a little bit prettier than that. You're going to be given an A, B, C values. This represents the A x squared plus bx plus c in the equation. So the a value, we're going to go to the hundredths place, is 1.64. The b value is negative 3.36. And the c value is 2.6. And then we're just going to take this and write our equation. So it's y equals 1.64 x squared minus 3.36 x and plus 2.6. Okay, if we continue, then we're going to go to this table. We're going to go back to Stat, and this time the values for x are 0, negative 2, negative 3, negative 5, negative 6. The y values are 1, 5, 9, 10, 16. Then we go to Stat, over to Calc, number 5 for quadratic regression. And this time, let's go ahead and go to the tens place just to make them a little shorter. My a value is 0.1. My b value is negative 1.9. And my c value is 1.2. My quadratic equation would be y equals 0.1 x squared minus 1.9x plus 1.2. And again, I'm just going to keep working on this. So if you got the hang of it, you can go on your own or continue to watch. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. My y value is 3, 11, 35, 60, 82. Stat, over, calc, 5. Enter, 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 enter. 10th place would be 2.4, negative 1.1, and 3.1. So my equations would be 2.4x squared minus 1.1x plus 3.1. Same setup every time. So Stat, edit. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 8, 3, 4, 5, 9. Oops, stop. My a value is 1.3, b value 0.4, and c value 3.2. My equation is 1.3x squared plus 0.4x plus 3.2. And just 4 more examples, so you're welcome to go on ahead to your assignment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My y value is 2, 7, 28, 55, 70. Oops, wrong one. Make sure to do Stat, Calc 5. 1.9 is my a value, my b value is 7.3, and my c value negative 9.8. So it's y equals 1.9x squared plus 7.3x minus 9.8. All right, negative 10, negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, 0, 1, 4, 10, 14. Okay, my a value is 0.6, 13. This one would actually round up to 14, and c would be 75.3. So y equals 0.6x squared plus 14x plus 75.3. oops, doing that wrong, 5, 7, 8, 11, 0.5, 2, 5, 8, 12, oops. This time it's negative 0.02. I'm going to go ahead and go 2 values there. This one would be round up to 2 and negative 7.3. Last but not least, negative 0.5, 15.5, and negative 15.7. So my equation is y equals negative 0.5x squared plus 15.5x minus 15.7.